What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Most of y'all know that I haven't been using a blow dryer for the last several years, but today I decided that I'm going to blow dry my hair. One reason for blow drying my hair is because I want to do a style and my hair is wet and I want to do the style today, so I'm going to be using the blow dryer. And then another reason is I want to blow out my hair and trim it, which is what I'm going to be doing in this video. So I'm just going to be blowing out my hair and trimming it a little bit because I haven't trimmed it in quite some time. Not that I think it drastically needs a trim, but I just know I haven't trimmed it in a while, so I'm just going to blow it out and trim it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is spraying a heat protectant in my hair. And I'm using the Cantu heat protectant. Not too much. I just had enough of it. I don't like to see it. I just want it gone. So I'm going to cut it off. Before thumbnail. Okay, so here it goes. So I'm going to come down. Let's see. Maybe like around here. Let's see. Let's see how it's looking. It looks somewhat even. Yeah, that looks good. And that's it. This is how it's looking. Turned out good. I'm glad I got rid of those ends. Thank you for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.